Browse. Browse is a new function of COCA. From the function, we can search for words that has a certain characteristic by its word form, by its frequency, by the word it rhymes with, and by its syllables or stress. Say, for example, you want to find out about the word record. Simply type it into the word form box and click Show All Words. Here, you can find the frequency ranking of the word. On the right, you can find the audio, video, and image of the word record by clicking on the appropriate icon. Say you want to find the top most frequently used words. We can simply set the range by inputting 1 on the left-hand box and 5 on the right-hand box under Range. We can also find the audio, video, and image of the words here. To search for words that rhyme under Pronunciation, we can input our word of choice. Take, for example, time, and type it into the box next to Rhymes With and click Show All Words. Here, we can see the most common words that rhyme with time. In order to search syllables, stress, you need to highlight the circles. Green circles representing syllables and red circles for stress. Therefore, if 4 green circles are highlighted, and we then mark the second circle as red, we can find words with 4 syllables with stress placed on the second syllable. Simply click Show All Words to display the results below. Here, we can see the words ranked by frequency, with the most frequent word having 4 syllables and the stressed second syllable is American. You can also click on the different icons to play the audio of the word, show a video, show an image, or use the translation function on the far right.